Okay, folks, we're back again today. We're gonna give you an update on where we're at right now. And let me go ahead and share this screen over here. Share that. Move me over here so you get to see me as well. All right. So what we're looking at here. First, let me go up to my contract so you can see. Okay, the $500 contracts just completed itself. Okay. And that means these funds are added to my account plus the $1,000 is with the earnings. And to show you that, we're right here. All right. So on my contract here, this for 20 days, that's for the $3,000 contract, started on August 3rd. So it's not going to expire till August 23. Today's date's August 9. These just completed. We did them at the same time. So that's been 6 days. So what we're going to do now is come down here, and I have enough where I can get this contract. So that'll be for $1,250 and earning $1,750 a day. And we come up here, you'll see I'm earning over here $45.30 a day. So that'll put us at $62.80 in earnings on a daily basis. Okay. So remember, we start at $6.50 a day. So we are making progress. And I just wanted to show you how simple this is. Again, we'll just hit invest now, 1,250. And pay. And we now have that contract running as well. And it's an 8-day contract. So in 8 days, I'll come back and we'll see what we're going to do after that. I mean, like I said, this is not, let me bring this up. I want to make sure I do this correctly. Sometimes I forget to do this, and I really need to put this in every video. Even though I don't say it on every video, it is something that needs to I need to make sure that you understand that this is not financial or investment advice. The content you're watching is for educational, informational purposes only. I'm simply documenting my own personal journey, showing you what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, why I choose this path, based on my own research and my own personal decisions. You are 100% responsible for your own decisions. If you choose to follow a similar path, you do so at your own risk. You need to do your own research, consider your own risk tolerance, and make decisions that are right for you. Investing in digital assets, including Bitcoin mining contracts, carries risk. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Only invest in what you believe you can afford to lose, because it could happen. All right. But as I've said so far, over the last 90 days, that's about when we started, 90 days ago, this is performing exactly as they promote it, exactly as advertised. I'm receiving if not the results I expected. It's actually exceeding my expectations. And I'm excited about the progress we're making on this. That's why I'm documenting this, sharing this with you. So talk again soon.